Hello, my name is Andrew Siegel. I'm the senior litigating attorney at Siegel Coonerty. We're a personal injury and medical malpractice law firm here in New York City. Today's video topic, injuries to the rotator cuff. Rotator cuff is basically a tendon that exists in your shoulder area. Actually, it's more than one tendon, it's 4 tendons, but the typical injury occurs to the tendon on top, which is known as the supraspinatus. The supraspinatus tendon exists between the head of the humerus, which is the bone of the arm that comes from the elbow up into the shoulder socket, in between that bone, the head of that bone, and what's known as the acromion, which is if you feel your shoulder right on the end there, a little point, that's known as the acromion. So the supraspinatus exists between the head of the humerus and the acromion, and what happens in these types of injuries is there's trauma to the shoulder, there's inflammation of these tendons, and when you move your arm upward, such as we see in this model, that tendon, which is between these two aspects of bone, gets pinched. The term that the doctors like to use is called impingement or impingement syndrome. And the treatment for such a situation, as some of you know through experience, is something called the bursectomy, or the removal of the bursar sac. Also, the addressing of the tendon injury, also the shaving down of some bone, and all this is geared towards creating greater room between the head of the humerus and the acromion. So if you or someone you know have been victim of an accident and sustained an injury to the shoulder, a soft tissue injury to the supraspinatus or a rotator cuff tear, and have had surgery, give us a call at Siegel Coonerty, 212-532-0532, and ask for me, Andrew Siegel.